How can we classify the data structures? So the data structures are broadly classified into primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. So primitive data structures are the fundamental data types which are supported by a programming language. So like if we take the example of the C programming language, we have the int data type, the float, character, boolean. So these are the data types that are supported by that programming language. So these will be the primitive data types. And for primitive data structures, terms like, we can also use terms like data type, basic data type also. So what are the non-primitive data structures? These data structures, they are created using the primitive data structures. So when we use these primitive data structures to create more different kinds of data structures, those are called non-primitive data structures. Examples are linked list, stacks, trees, graphs. And these non-primitive data structures, they can be formed in two ways, or they can be classified into two ways: linear and non-linear data structures. So what are linear data structures? Whenever the elements of a data structure are stored in a linear or sequential order, so they are one after the other. Okay, so you can say in a line or sequentially. So in this kind of a data structure is referred to as a linear data structures. Arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, these are linear data structures. We will discuss more into detail about all these data structures. So these are, in all the elements in these data structures would be stored in a sequential order. They can be represented in memory in two ways. So either there will be a linear relationship between elements by means of sequential memory locations, or there will be a linear relationship between elements by means of links. By sequential memory locations, we mean that suppose this is the RAM and it is having a number of bytes. Each byte is suppose having an address. So all the elements of that data structure would be in sequential memory location. So if one is over here, the next one is here, then this way. So this is how they will be stored in sequential memory locations, or the relationship between the elements would be by means of links. In this case, when the relationship is through means of links, then suppose if this is the one data element, it would be pointing to another data element which is stored somewhere else. This element would again be pointing to the next data element. So it is still sequential, but they are linked through by means of these pointers, these links which are pointing to the next element. The non-linear data structure, they are not stored in a sequential order. So there is no adjacency relationship between the elements. They are not next to each other. And this is an example of trees and graphs can be considered as non-linear data structures.